What is grief really like? It is tremendously hard work just to keep yourself alive. Be gentle with yourself.
It's okay to cry, and it's okay to ask for help. Grief has no expiry date. No matter how old you are, or how long ago you've lost someone, your grief might be stirred by something you see or hear.
Your friends go back to their lives. You'd like to go back to yours. But somehow, it's not there for you to go back to.
I wanted to get out, escape the feeling of being punched in the gut. I still wanted to live, stay alive for the kids. These children, they need me.
And this impact of emotions, feeling nothing while feeling everything at once, is a normal part of grieving.
I can work through my grief by myself in the garden. Always got something to do. I belong to a ukulele group. It's good for my brain. But those things are off now during COVID. We're doing Zoom things. Even the ukulele is on Zoom.